KSPortalcraftEDU, and today we're starting to find the length of a direct common tangent. So we're gonna be having two circles. So we're gonna have this circle to we got a little tangent here, 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 and the let's make the how about make the let's make this radius how about 8 cm centimeters. And how about this one could be 6 centimeters. They kind of they actually might be the same size, but once again, in a lot of these common tangents, looking at the figure, it doesn't really make sense. Like, yeah, like if we look at this, like a lot of these will be like this, where it would be like full C, and like we can conclude that this probably really isn't full C, because look at this and that, but look at the circumferences of these compared to this line segment. But don't question it. It's fine. So what we gotta do is we gotta go from the so we gotta go and draw a square first. This is so we can cause we're gonna in this example and then we're gonna do this cause our goal is to and then we draw a triangle, because what we're trying to do in these finding the length of the common tangent is we're actually just trying to find A through B. Well, it might be something else, but what we're just trying to do is we're trying to find the length of this line. And this can be done since we set up in a form of a rectangle via the Pythagoras' theorem. So what we set up our equation as A squared, okay, I'm just going to use this one, A squared, Z. Let's control Z out. A squared. AB squared equals, because we know the Pythagoras theorem, so we can just do it. So AB squared equals okay, now what is 80? So this is D. I forgot to actually add it here, and this would be so that would be, I believe in this example would be think about it. I'm stupid. This is easy. This is so much easier than I thought. What it would be is it would just be we just do is you'd subtract 8 from 6 to get here to find AD, because yeah, it'd be simple. All we gotta do is subtract 8 minus 6 in this case, and now that'd be, I was overcomplicating things ahead, so that would just be in this case it'd be 2 centimeters, because squared. Actually, I don't know if we're supposed to actually add a centimeter squared, but I don't really care. And then what we gotta do is we gotta add all of them up to find B through D. So B through D. So it's gotta add 3, 8, and 6. So that'd be 10. That would be 18 squared. And to solve it, what we gotta do is we gotta first, put it in simplest form. We gotta solve these square roots. Not square roots. Square equations. While I actually go and get a calculator, because I do not know this a lot. I actually think I know this in my head. I do not know this in my head. I believe we square it because it's like a square. Because we see how we have this angle, we have this side and that side. So, for example, A through B is also the same as A through B. So we do it twice. I might be wrong, but I'm doing it. A lot of the squares tomes come from like early geometry. If you really want to do it, buy a copy of Euclid Elements. I like got mine for about like $15 or half price books. They tend to have a lot of really like weird books. I also got Physics 1. That's a really good book in the subject is actually Geometry for Dummies. They have a really good problem with how to solve tangents. I don't think it's a direct tangent in the book, but if you go to like page 255, 224, there's a really good part on that. Would be 324 plus 4 would be 328. 328, I mean. Now, whatever I do, equals AB. And to solve it, we obviously just gotta square it. Square root it. I mean, I don't know. I love how I literally just, this is not even a square root symbol, but I don't really care. I love it, like, whenever I, like, wanna, whenever I wanna think of a square root, I say squared. And whenever I don't, and then whenever I want a square number, I say square root. I don't know why I do that, so, square root of, I doubt this is gonna be nice and even. So, let's just do, 320, well, square root of 320. And then my calculator is taking so long. I really do not know how to use Google Calculator that much. It's being kind of annoying. Let's do square root of, that was 328. Oh crap, it's 18 square. Okay, phew. I just want to make sure it was a 4, not a 6. Oh, that's 4. I screwed up 300. I highly doubt this is gonna be nice and clean. Yeah, it's like, you can do, I think, they will accept, a lot of teachers will accept 328. I don't know if you're supposed to, or you don't, I don't remember if you have to, I think you're supposed to put it in this, format, square root format, and not, like, a decimal, but I could be wrong. See you in the next guys, like, everyone for the guys, and goodbye.